Welcome back. Today, I have a super fun lesson for you. We are going to make drag and drop activities in Google Slides. Let's get started. So I have this cute monster here, and students are able to tell me what body parts they want their monster to have. They'll say, I want that big purple mouth. I want that pink eyes. I want the pig nose. And we can adjust it as so. And then I'll ask the students, are you happy with your monster? And 9 times out of 10, they're gonna say no because they want to keep playing with it. So we'll do it again. We'll pick out something different. So here I have another example of drag and drop. Students were learning about clothes in this lesson. So I will have the student tell me what kind of clothes they want her to wear, and we can change her outfit like so. Super fun and super easy. So what we are going to do for our drag and drop is we are going to make a dinner plate. So the first thing that we're going to do is find a picture of a dinner plate that we like. I'm going to go with this one here, and I'm gonna paste it just like so. Now, this is going to be my background, and that's very important. We want this to be a background. We don't want it to accidentally move around. If we leave it the way it is right now, then as the students are trying to drag food onto the plate, it's possible they could grab the background instead and start dragging that around, and that's not what we want. We want everything in the background to stay put. So, to lock this in place, what we're going to do is put this in slideshow mode. And we are not going to exit full screen. We want it to be full screen, okay? Now, from here, we are going to take a screenshot. The way that you do this is going to be different depending on what kind of computer you have. On my computer, I have to hit Control, Print Screen. So I'm going to do that now. Control, Print Screen. Now we're going to exit, and we're going to open up Paint. And we're going to paste our image into Paint, and then save it as a background. So let's just background. Like so. Exit out of Paint. We don't need it anymore. Now you're going to delete everything. Delete it all. Get rid of everything. And hit background. Choose image. And we want to upload an image. We're going to upload the image that we just saved. And because we took a screenshot, it will be the perfect size. And now it won't move anywhere. It's going to stay exactly where it's at. Now all we have to do is find some food. Okay. I have found a bunch of different food elements that I wanted to include on my page. I removed all of the backgrounds using that website I mentioned before, remove.bg. And now I'm done. Now, this will not work in presentation mode. So if I had this in the middle of my lesson, I would have to exit presentation, do the drag and drop, and then go back into presentation mode when I am done. There are 2 different ways you can do this. You can give the student control of your mouse. This will allow them to drag the elements themselves. However, there are some problems with this. Some students are not mature enough to handle this, and they will immediately begin clicking on things that they're not supposed to. It's very difficult to regain control of the mouse once the student has taken it. Some students also don't understand how to use their mouse at all, so it's not useful for them. Instead, most of the time, what I do is I will have them tell me what they want. Not only does this keep my mouse and my computer safe, but it gives them an opportunity to practice their sentences. And it gives them motivation to try to make a sentence, right? This is a good way to get really shy students that don't usually want to talk. This is a good way to get them talking. If you ask the student, what do you want for dinner today? I can almost guarantee they're going to say something, even if they never talked before, because they want to do this activity. They might just start with one word. They might say apple, apple, and then you can pull on that. Encourage them to make a sentence. I want an apple, or I like the apple. Something along those lines. And then when you're done with the lesson, it's really easy to just move everything back. And because we made this a background, I can't do anything to make this plate move. It will always be there. Right? Just like that. Super easy. And when you're happy with it, you can just go back into slideshow mode and continue the lesson from there. We are all done. Next time, we are going to talk about polishing up your lessons to make them look more professional. I hope you found this lesson helpful, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!